If you want to organize your document better in LibreOffice Writer, one of the easiest things you can do is insert a section. Sections are great when you want to group specific text together, apply different formatting, or simply keep parts of your document more structured and easier to manage. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to insert a section in LibreOffice Writer step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this one. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting fresh, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, you can use that instead. The process works the same either way. Once your document is open, you'll need to select the text that you want to place inside the section. This part is important because LibreOffice uses the selected text to define what goes into that section. You can highlight a single paragraph, multiple paragraphs, or any block of content that you want to group together. After you've selected the text, move up to the top menu and click Insert. This opens a menu with several options for adding content and structure to your document. From that menu, click Section. A section dialog box will appear, giving you options for the section you're about to create. This is where you can give the section a name if you want to keep your document more organized. Naming sections is especially useful in longer documents because it helps you identify different parts of the file later on. Now enter a section name if needed. If you're only creating a simple section, you can leave the default settings as they are. But if you want a clearer structure, adding a name is a smart idea. Once you're ready, click Insert to confirm. LibreOffice Writer will add the new section to your document, wrapping the selected text inside that section, and that's it. Your section has now been inserted successfully. This is a really useful feature for anyone working on reports, manuals, formatted documents, or any file where structure matters. Sections can help you stay organized and make later editing much easier. If you need to create more sections, just repeat the same process. Select the text, go to Insert, choose Section, name it if needed, and click Insert. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides on LibreOffice and other everyday software tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.